There are major developments to the south in southern Gaza at the Rafah crossing with Egypt. Take a look at what happened just a few hours ago. Absolute chaos in the streets at that vital crossing where aid trucks come in from Egypt into Gaza. The crowds apparently so desperate to try to grab whatever aid they could get from the trucks at a situation where you have the entire population of Gaza with acute food insecurity, a catastrophic level of people who just don't have enough to eat, the desperation, the anger, the outrage growing, people becoming so enraged that they were trying to run from the trucks with whatever they could have in their hands. We don't know how that gunfire erupted or exactly who was firing the shots. We don't know if anybody was hurt or killed, but clearly, if this video doesn't underscore just how desperate the situation is inside Gaza right now, all you have to do is look and listen, Jim.
Yeah, well, let's go back to that. I know there's not a whole lot you can tell us, but when we're looking at that video, and if we could show it again to our viewers, it's sort of an aerial bird's eye view of what looks like a chaos in this crowd. Is this where the gunshots were taking place? Or it looks like people are carrying aid on their shoulders and on their backs away from aid trucks. I'm just trying to get a sense as to, do we know if gunfire was going off because of that rush to get those supplies, or was this fighting that was going on near the scene? I guess we just don't have all the answers yet.
That's absolutely right, Jim. It is so chaotic there right now that all that we can do, all we can ascertain from this video is that there were massive crowds that essentially rushed the convoy of aid trucks as soon as they came across that Rafah crossing from Egypt. People were trying to break into the trucks. They were trying to steal items off the trucks. We have other videos where you see people just with bundles of items in their hands. They might not even known exactly what they were grabbing for, but they grabbed what they could and they ran. And then at some point, shots were fired and a lot of gunfire could be heard. We don't know who was firing the shots. We don't know where the gunfire came from. Those are all still unanswered questions, but it really does underscore just how volatile the situation is inside Gaza right now, Jim.